GrainHeads is a granular synthesizer that turns any sound into something entirely new. Built for sound designers, musicians, and experimental producers who want deep, hands-on control over texture and motion. Multi-source granular engine. Load material into 4 sample slots and deploy independent playheads, each targeting its own source. Blend, crossfade, or dynamically switch between samples using modulation. The result: rich, multi-layered textures that evolve continuously without repetition. Shape every grain. Each playhead carries a full set of granular parameters: position, scan speed, grain size, pitch, chance, plus a drawable grain envelope. Sculpt transient character using splinter or Bézier curves for anything from soft clouds to sharp, percussive fragments. Modulate everything from everywhere. A summing modulation matrix lets multiple sources target the same parameter simultaneously. Assign LFOs, envelopes, and sequencer lanes to virtually any control, including sample slot selection, filter cutoff, and even other LFOs. Filter envelopes add per-step timbral motion in sequencer mode. Sequencer with parameter lanes. Go beyond note patterns. The step sequencer locks any parameter per step: pitch, position, filter, grain size, with polyrhythmic lengths and clock divisions. Each playhead runs its own sequence independently. Macros for expressive control. 4 macro axes map multiple parameters to simple X/Y gestures: time smear, spatial bloom, degradation, complexity. Combined with the 4-finger 2D touchpad controlling up to 8 parameters, GrainHeads becomes a performance instrument. Effects that reshape the signal. A re-routable effects chain includes delay, reverb, lo-fi degradation, and filtering with adjustable signal flow so effects interact in the order you choose. Key features. V3 instrument and effect plugins use standalone or inside your DAW. Up to 8 independent granular playheads. 4 sample slots with per playhead source selection. Drawable grain envelopes onto Bézier curves. Summing modulation matrix, multiple LFOs, envelopes, and sequencer lanes per target. LFO on LFO modulation for deeply nested movement. Step sequencer with parameter locking and polyrhythmic clock divisions. Filter envelope to step sequencer mode. Per playhead Moog style ladder filter self-oscillating with overdrive. 4 macro axes X/Y pads for multi-parameter gestures. Re-routable effects section: delay, reverb, lo-fi, filter, limiter, scale quantization, chromatic, major, minor, and exotic modes. Dice. 1 tap randomization for instant inspiration. Ableton link. Import/export presets. Customizable look and feel. Pure version unlocks loading external samples and microphone recording. GrainHeads turns granular synthesis into a hands-on instrument. Not a menu diving exercise.